Hi and hello to this short video just quickly about, well, what is the best WordPress or the best blogging platform for SEO friendly content? So if you look at this article that we have recently published, what is the best blogging platform? We obviously recommend WordPress if you haven't noticed that yet. And we give you lots of reasons why it is the best one, especially for SEO. So, amongst the reasons are, of course, the great plugins that help with SEO, the great code that it provides as well, the easy use, and even for beginners, WordPress is great, and you can find a lot of tutorials about WordPress and how you can use it, how you can start with WordPress, how you can start a blog with WordPress. Lots of tutorials here on seekahost.org. And, we also obviously provide the web hosting for it, and we provide the blog hosting control panel as well. And I want to kind of give you an idea how all these elements work together in terms of finding the best blogging platform that is also SEO friendly. So I suppose let me go into my account here on the Seekahost app. So as you can see, I am currently hosting 3 blogs here. My personal blog, and then I've published the Essex News Live blog, and this is a German blog that I've just started because I'm also going to write a bit more in German, which is my native language. So those 3 blogs I'm hosting at the moment in the Seekahost app, and I highly recommend you start using the Seekahost app for your WordPress websites. The reasons, so there are several reasons. First of all, if you go into the plans, you will see it's super affordable, and you can start with just roughly £1 a month for your first basic WordPress site. But if you have several sites, you can even get it for let's say you have 10. It's $1 still per website. So it's super affordable, and it gives you a lot of flexibility, as you can see. So this is the number 1 reason. It's a great deal, and you get a lot of web space, and you get a lot of features that not many other hosts provide. And then the other reason why I would suggest you do it with the Seekahost app is because you can then have all of your WordPress sites in your dashboard, and you can manage them in your dashboard very, very easily and quickly. So just to show you what I normally do, or how I would go about it in terms of also focusing on the SEO aspect of it, is you have all your sites here, and you can go into your sites and manage them here easily. So, whatever you need to do, if you need to change the plan, if you need to do a backup, if, I don't know, you need to update something, it's all in your dashboard, and it's super easy to use, very straightforward. And the other thing that I really love about the app is that you have the tracking sites option. So let me show you quickly how that works. I've only set it up for my manuelawilbo.com blog so far, but I will do it also for the other 2 blogs. So basically I can connect it to Google Analytics and Clicky, which I have done here. And I just go into it and check, what's happening, how's the traffic, who's coming to my website, from where. And then with Clicky, I can also see, what are the most popular blog posts, for example. So here it's how to make money online and SEO tools for content writing. Now that gives me an idea about, okay, what are people interested in? What do they look for, and how do they find me via the search engines? So obviously they are interested in how to make money online and SEO. So those 2 insights will give me perhaps an idea for next week to think about okay, what am I going to focus on in terms of the content on my blog? And then I can apply that also to my other websites that I have hosted in here, because the goal ultimately is that I host, you know, WordPress websites that are going to also help me, you know, in terms of the SEO using my different websites that I have. So I would then probably think, okay, the next blog post I can publish on my manuelavillborg.com blog, for example, is how to make money blogging. And I have already published a German article about that, but I haven't published an English one yet. So that could be something I could do. And then on the other website that I'm hosting, which is the bloggertipsandtricks.com blog, I could probably write a similar article on there, just maybe focusing on something else in terms of, you know, how you can maybe structure a blog post with SEO-friendly content or something, or how to drive more traffic to your blog, things like that, right? So then I can also, of course, interlink my Manuela Wilborg blog with my blogger tips and tricks blog. And that also helps in terms of the SEO. And then I can monitor it in the Seekahost app. So that's why it's really helped me. And as you've seen, I've published another video on the Seekahost YouTube channel about how I've grown my blog, my personal blog, now to over 1,000 visitors per month from search engines. And I would highly recommend you start using the Seekahost app for that, because it's just a brilliant tool, giving you all these options for a really low price. You can even get a 7-day free trial if you want to test it yourself. It only takes 60 seconds to get your blog live. So, you know, you're not losing much time, you're not losing much money, and you can build something, an online presence consisting of several websites, perhaps, that will really help you grow online. That will, you know, it could also be, and I will write about this more going forward, it could be a portfolio. You know, my personal blog is sort of a portfolio of the work that I do. But say if you're looking to change careers, or if you're looking to, I don't know, apply for different jobs, then you could create a really simple portfolio. WordPress has a theme for that. And just, you know, highlight who you are, use it instead of a CV. So there are so many options with WordPress, and the Seekahost app combined just makes it a brilliant platform to use for your blogging. And I would highly recommend you use it. So yeah, please, you know, feel free to ask me any questions about it. Come to, you can again come to, you know, the seekahost.org blog, where we cover a lot of that. And if you come to the home page, you will see also why we recommend the blog hosting control panel, the advantages, and why WordPress is great. And, you know, all the benefits you get from it, basically. So I would really recommend you just start a blog today, get online and start building your online properties, because it is the way forward. It is the way for the future, and I wouldn't want you to miss it. So thank you.